Hello everyone, this is Mukesh. Welcome to my channel Learn Tech. Today we will learn how we can sort out the timing of each and every participants from the downloaded attendance set of the Microsoft Team meeting. So actually when you will go through the downloaded attendance set of Microsoft Team meeting, it look like this. The attendance can be downloaded during the time of meeting. Yes, when it will be downloaded during the time of meeting, the format of the attendance is like this. And you can now, there is more option, one more option is now available in this Microsoft Team. Yes, you can download the attendance sheet after the meeting also. So yeah, this is the format of the attendance sheet after the meeting. So in both the cases, what you will observe, what is the similarity in both the cases, both of the attendance sheet is, yes, it is very difficult to sort out the how for how long, for how much time each and every participant was in my meeting. So this can be achieved easily by the use of this Excel. You can just sort out the timing of each and every students or each and every participants. Actually this video is for an educational organization, can be this Excel sheet can be used for any kind of organization. So yes, actually in educational organization, as we know that one teacher has to take how many classes, 4 to 5 classes in a day, and it's very difficult to manage the attendance sheet. So here I have, actually in this Excel sheet there will be three steps, actually broadly three steps. Just see here it is written a step 1, step 2 and step 3. One by one we will discuss these steps. So most important thing is what, that you should know two things before just starting the sorting. You should know two things: the name of the class for which you are going to just sort the timing, and also the name of that attendance in which you have downloaded for that class. Again I am repeating, yes, because as we know that when we are taking the classes on daily basis, yes, there may many attendance it will be downloaded, but you have to sort out that yes, on this date I have to just sort out the timing of this class. Okay, so here you have to just mention, enter the minimum minutes to mark the absent. Now next thing is what your class may be of 45 minutes, 50 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hour, any time it may be. So here you have to just give the data in minutes. What the demarcation time you just want to take. Yes, below this time the student or the participants will be marked absent, and above this time duration the students will be marked or the participants will be marked present. So here this I am taking an example. Suppose I am just taking an example. My class was actually of 40 minutes. So yes, I'm just taking an example of 30 minutes. All the students who was present less than that 30 minutes will be marked absent. Okay, now we have to select the class. Second thing, yes, you have to select the class. For which class actually? So yes, I am just taking an example of 12th science only. After just entering the selecting the class and entering this minute, you have to just click here. Now after clicking, a file picker will be opened. You have to select that file. So actually by default the attendance sheet is downloaded in the download section. So the download section of the desktop. So how you can just reach to that download section? Yes, I think all of you know. So but I am just repeating one more time. So this is actually the download section. From here we will just reach there. So I will select, yes, I know this is the attendance sheet of the class 12 science. I will select this, and as soon as I will click on it, yes, as soon as I will click on it, in matter of second, all the timing will be sorted out here. So yes, it will be not visible, I think, when I am doing this. I am just clearing this data, then it will be more clearly visible to us, yes, whether the timing is being sought or not. So yes, I have just cleared this data again. After filling that interest, you have to just select the that attendance sheet which you have downloaded for that class. Here we have selected which class, 12 science. So we have to just select the attendance sheet of 12 science only. So just select that attendance sheet. In matter of second, the timing of each and every students will be sorted here. So yes, one thing. Just see here, the student who was for 24 minutes, they were also marks absent. Yes, it's my will. Yes, the student who was for 20 minutes also, they will be marks present. So again, just click here, select the attendance sheet, and when you will see the again the timing, just see here, this student will is now marked what, present. So in this way we can sort out the timing for how long each and every students or participants was in the meeting or in the class. Okay, now last step is what, this is the third step. There may be chances some guests or other from your organization or other from this class, they have joined that meeting. So you just want to remove the name or list of that guests or students who have joined this class, who are not the part of this class actually. So yes, just click, this is actually the clearing the you can sort cleaning the data actually. So if the students some students or some guests have joined, you just click for sake of what, cleaning at each and every when you are using this excel, at the last just click on it. Okay, when the student are not any students or have joined, any guest have joined, or any people have joined who is not the part of this class, they will be removed from this list. Okay, now this is the way we can just sort out the timing of each and every student or each and every participant in the from the attendance sheet downloaded from the Microsoft team. Okay, uh, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more video like this. Okay, thank you.